Hi there, welcome back. Before we start today's topic, let me remind you of the community post that I published today. Please check Community tab. You can ask a question related to grammar and vocabulary. Make sure your question does not demand a very lengthy explanation. I will pick questions that can be answered in 1 or 2 minutes. If there are any questions that might require lengthy explanation, I'll make separate video on them. Now let's get into this video's topic. How to use might. Okay, at the end of this video, we'll discuss a few questions that can be asked in the exams. So watch the video fully and try to answer those questions. Well, we are discussing the word might. Might is a modal verb. It is used with the base form of a verb. That is the first form of a verb like go, play, eat, sing, etc. It means you can say might go, might buy, might sing, might visit, might proceed, etc. Okay, now what are the different uses? Let's discuss them now. Well, the first use is might indicates that something will possibly happen or something will be true in the future. But we need to understand one thing here. That is, when you use might, you cannot be completely sure. To put it simply, to say that in simple words, may expresses more possibility than might. For example, the two countries might go to war. The two countries might go to war. It means there is a possibility of the two countries going to the war, but the chances are far fewer. There is not much chance. Now, look at this example here. He might reach the place in time. He might reach the place in time. It means there is a possibility, but I can't be sure. Now, the second use of might is, it expresses vagueness. Vagueness means something that is not clear. Now, when we say something vaguely, we don't say it clearly because we are not sure. Look at this example to understand it. Your child might do better with a different teacher. Your child might do better with a different teacher. It means, why don't you try a different teacher so that the child could do easily with them, could get along easily with that particular teacher. Okay. Now, another use is, this might can be used to make a suggestion or to give advice in a very polite way. Remember, may can be used for polite request, but might can be used for polite request too. But might is, more formal than may. For example, you might want to lose weight. This is a suggestion. You might want to lose weight. Just think of it. Why don't you try to lose weight? Another example. It might be a good idea to tell your dad about it. Maybe you are discussing a problem with your maybe student if you are a teacher. Maybe you are discussing that with your friend and you say it might be a good idea to tell your dad about it. One more example. You might talk to your boss about this problem. That way you can settle the problem or maybe find a solution to the problem. Okay, another use of might. We can use might to interrupt somebody, to ask a question or to make a request. To interrupt somebody means here to break somebody's flow of speech. When somebody is speaking and you want to make a statement, you want to come in the middle, you want to break in the middle, you want to say something, and then you can use this word might. Or maybe to ask a question or to make a request, you can use might. Let's look at examples now. Might I ask you why you are here? Might I ask you why you are here? That's it. And another one. Might I make a suggestion? Might I make a suggestion? More polite. Might I trouble you for a minute? It means, can you spare or could you spare a minute for me? But this is more formal than that. Might I trouble you for a minute? Now that you have understood 4 main ways in which might can be used, let's see a few questions that can be asked in the exam. Here is the first question. If you need more information, you might try the internet. If you need more information, you might try the internet. What is this? A. Requesting. B. Interrupting. C. Suggesting. D. Expressing possibility. Okay, the answer is suggesting. The second one, might I borrow your pen? Might I borrow your pen? The options are selling, A. Selling, B. Requesting, C. Advising, D. Showing surprise. What do you think? Yes, the answer is B. Requesting. The next one, of course the last one. It might rain today. It might rain today. The options are A. Less possibility, B. More possibility, C. No possibility, D. Extreme possibility. What do you think is the answer? Well, we have discussed that might expresses less possibility when compared to may. So the answer is A. Less possibility. Okay, that's it in this video. I hope you have done very well with the questions there. And if you like this video and if you think it is useful, please hit the like button, share and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.